Heading down to Motorama. The boys have got everything loaded up. They're just checking on some trailer lights that are, of course, last second. And it looks like it wants to snow, so it's perfect.
It was my pleasure to...
It was like a Hot Wheels.
Yeah, I know that. And I'll tell you, when I worked on it, I felt like I was working on something that was mine. You know what I mean? So I put extra care and this and that. And of course it's yours, so I had to put extra care.
Look at the tires on the thing.
I know.
Unbelievable.
The color is the best color I've seen at the show here, by far.
What's the color?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Really nice.
Unreal. Yeah. What a machine.
It's beautiful. I don't know.
Unruly! The guy's here! Unruly! One of a kind, the best you'll ever see. Unruly! Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Man.
Nice color too.
I'll send that to Mac and Emery.
Class runner-up for custom pickup truck. There you go.
2650. That's great! Oh my god!
What happened at the show, man?
Well, we were busy. Oh my gosh, they must have had some good numbers there. There was a lot of people.
Beautiful. I've been like
Lots of positive stuff about the truck. Picked up a couple of awards, the paint award, and I believe it was a runner-up on custom truck. You know, a lot of beautiful cars there. You know, it's kind of a bit of a burnout after a few days of it. We got back, you know, late Sunday night and stuff. But it'd be nice just to get the truck back to the owner now, and just waiting for the roads to clear a little bit with this weather.